Namaste. I am Aishwarya Dandekar from the Yoga Institute. In today's lives, the way we think constantly impacts our actions as well as our mindsets. Understanding the difference between positive thinking, negative thinking, and correct thinking is very important for our personal as well as spiritual growth. From a yogic perspective, these qualities relate very closely to the concept of gunas. So, what are these gunas? There are three gunas: the sattva gun, rajas gun, and the tamas gun. They are three fundamental qualities which affect our behavior and our mind. The first guna is the sattva gun, which represents clarity, positivity, and harmony. It encourages people to be in a more balanced state of a mind. Rajas gun signifies activity, passion, and dynamism. It lets people to take better decisions through their actions. Tamas stands for inertia, darkness, or inaction. Tamas usually hinders our spiritual as well as our personal growth, leading us into a more confused state of mind. So, by understanding these gunas, we can better navigate our decisions and get a healthier mindset. So, let us understand this positive, negative, and correct thinking through this yogic lens. Positive thinking encourages a more optimistic outlook in life, promoting inner peace. This is aligned with the sattva gun, and to develop a positive thinking mindset, one should have the practice of gratitude. This can be done by writing 10 positive points every night before you go to sleep and visualize yourself in better positive situations. Negative thinking is often rooted in the tamas guna, which can create chaos or lead to an emotional turmoil. This is one of the major reasons why we suffer in life. Understanding these negative thought patterns and taking steps to change them into positive ones is crucial. This can be done through the practice of guided meditations, which are available on the Nishpan app, or self-analysis of oneself. This is very important to break this cycle. Correct thinking embodies a more balanced decision making along with remaining grounded. This is done because you are in a balanced state of sattva as well as of a raja state. This can help individuals in better decision making without creating any bias. These decisions made are much more healthier and into grounded reality. To conclude, in yoga, the real goal is to take correct thinking and also remain grounded in positivity. This is true transformation and which can lead you to inner peace. Namaste.